Hello, super deformed collectors. I did a video on some Aoshima Dekotora trucks, and I found another casting, just this little guy here locally. So I don't know what kind of truck it is. This also is a really small toy. You can just see by the size of my hands, really small, wheels, but they look like industrial commercial truck wheels. We got some protruding bumps. We got stickers here of a mountain. Some paint details here in the back, hinge details, all that stuff. Yeah, so I think that's Mount Fuji. Some black paint for the windows, door handle details. These are pullback toys, by the way. Yeah, granted. I think the tires, well, actually they're still rubbery. It says Aoshima on the bottom, that's how I know, obviously, who made it. Screw here, and the tab is, the tab is the license plate area. This one has a bed cover, like a tarp for the dump truck area. And then we have some green lights here, orange here. The headlights are not painted, nor the fog lights, but these orange things are. Some real texture and a weird eagle-like badge. And some mirrors as well. So, they're just kind of funky. It was cheap, so I figured I'd pick it up because I wanted to finish off this collection. Although, honestly, there's almost no information on these things. So here I put it in the middle, and you'll see the other castings from whatever this thing is. So I'm not sure why this one here has absolutely, well, it's got paint down here, but not on the taillight areas. Maybe there's a sticker missing from the back of that dump truck as well. So I have a suspicion these are Gashapon. They may have come in like a gumball machine. Or maybe they were free with a can of coffee, so I don't know. If anyone knows of a website that lists out all these Aoshima Dekotoras, please let me know. I would like to get the whole collection of castings, not variations, but just individual, unique castings would be cool. Alright, so that's the short video today. If you like Japanese decorated trucks, well, these might do for you. And even though these look cartoony, look at this image. This is like a mini truck. And it's all decked out too. So, it's kind of weird. But cool. Alright, thanks again. I'll see you in the next Dekotora video.